At Sichuan Chenanhui Technology Company Limited, we are dedicated to revolutionizing orthopedic solutions with cutting-edge knee joint prostheses tailored for various clinical needs. Our knee replacement systems are designed with precision to ensure functionality and comfort. The total surface knee replacement prosthesis comprises a femoral ankle, a tibial tray, and a tibial pad, available in various specifications to meet diverse patient needs. Introducing the high flexion knee joint system, crafted for superior mobility and durability. Its rearward open box design preserves bone volume while maintaining the continuity of the anterior cortical bone. The small radius, J-shaped design ensures minimal impact, and the optimized cam design enhances high flexion performance. The anatomical tibial tray increases coverage for improved stability, while the tibial spacer minimizes patellar impact during deep flexion, providing seamless movement. For complex cases, we offer the restrictive knee joint system, ideal for both primary replacements and revisions. This system adapts to lateral instability and flexion gaps, featuring a J-curve and multiradius design aligned with human anatomy. With enhanced stability, precise rotation control, and symmetrical tibial tray design, this system ensures optimal recovery of extension and flexion gaps. The total knee joint system provides unparalleled stability and safety. With a femoral ankle anterior malleolus elevation angle of 5 degrees, it reduces osteotomy risks. A double-locked tibial pad ensures stability during cement curing, while its polished contact surface minimizes wear, offering long-lasting performance. We understand that every patient is unique. That's why we offer fully customizable solutions, tailored using detailed parameters such as CT scans and MRI images. This ensures precision and comfort for every individual. Choose Sichuan Chenanhui Technology Company Limited and experience excellence in orthopedic innovation, transforming lives one step at a time.